We are here today on a beautiful sunny day at George C. Marshall High School in the heart of Providence District. It is our inaugural Providence Community Day and Back to School celebration. We are just so excited to bring the whole community together for all of Providence District. It's jointly with the school board, with school board member Frisch. We have vendors, we have county agencies, we have nonprofits, really trying to have activities and outreach to all of our community members, from our littlest ones. So we have lots of great activities for kids. We have Touch a Truck, we have Touch a Boat, we have all kinds of things outside from our electric school bus to our police and first responder buses and trucks that can be visited and touched by our community. We've got activities in the gym to all kinds of interactive games. We have our sensory room. So really bringing out some of the activities that we have in our community centers and in our county agencies in one place so that the community can learn more about all the great things we have that sometimes we don't even know about. So we're hoping this is the first of many, many years of community days to really bring updates about what's happened in the past year, to have a place for people to come together, people of all ages and families, and to be able to just enjoy a day in our community and build that sense of place and belonging right here in the heart of Providence. So we know it's a busy day. Some people have got soccer practice or church events and other things happening. It's such a beautiful day. So if you can't join us this year, if you couldn't join us, no worries. We'll see you again next year right here in the heart of Providence.